In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give permission in a Bitbucket repository. This is an essential skill to master, whether you're managing a team of developers or just collaborating on a project. The process is straightforward, but understanding the nuances will help you manage your repository effectively. Let's start by diving into the repository settings. On your Bitbucket interface, you'll see a sidebar on the left. This is your navigation hub, and from here, you'll want to locate and click on Repository Settings. This section is where you can control various elements of your repository, streamlining collaboration and ensuring everyone involved has the appropriate level of access. Once you're in the repository settings, the next step is to find Repository Permissions, which is sometimes labeled as Access Management. This area is crucial for defining who can view, modify, or administrate your repository. Now let's talk about adding users or groups. Within the Repository Permissions section, you have the option to add new contributors. Think of it like offering keys to your project, allowing different levels of access depending on the user's role. You can assign these users or groups one of three types of access: read, write, or admin. Choosing the right level of access is essential. When you assign read access, you're allowing the user to view the repository, but not make any changes. This is perfect for stakeholders or team members who need visibility into the project without altering it. Write access provides users the ability to edit content in the repository, allowing them to collaborate actively and contribute changes. Finally, admin access is the highest level of permission. These users can manage settings and permissions, essentially having full control over the repository. If you need to update or remove access for existing users, this can be done in the same section. It's important to regularly review these permissions to ensure that everyone still needs the access level they've been granted. This helps maintain security and efficiency, especially as projects evolve or team members change. There might be situations where you need to edit multiple entries at once. Bitbucket allows you to do this with ease. By selecting the checkboxes next to the users or groups you want to modify, you can then click on Edit Permissions and apply changes in bulk. This feature is particularly useful for larger teams or when implementing a new access protocol across multiple users simultaneously. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of managing permissions in Bitbucket. By following these steps, you'll ensure your repository is not only collaborative but secure and well managed, adapting seamlessly to the needs of your project and team. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!